If you're still living paycheck to paycheck, it's not always your fault. But staying that way, that part is on you. Or let me ask you this. Why do two people with the same job, same paycheck, same background, end up in completely different places financially? One builds wealth, the other stays broke. Why? Stick with me to the end of this video, and you'll walk away with the 3 brutal truths that are keeping you poor, and the 3 powerful shifts that will flip your money story for good. And if you take action starting today, this video could be the first step toward a future where money works for you, instead of you always working for money. Want to learn how to make your money work for you? Subscribe now, because financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a decision, and we'll show you how to make it real. Let's get started. Number 1, the comfort trap. But I work hard. Yes, and so did your parents. But here's the brutal truth. Working hard isn't the same as working smart. Let me tell you about Mark and Kevin. They both work 9-to-5 jobs, same salary. Mark comes home, scrolls on Instagram, grabs takeout and says, "I deserve to relax." Kevin comes home and watches one YouTube tutorial on investing, reads 10 pages of a finance book, and automates $100 into a Roth IRA. Fast forward 10 years. Mark has Netflix memories and Uber Eats receipts. Kevin, he has $200,000 plus in investments thanks to compound interest. It shows how real wealth is built quietly, over time, by people who live below their means and prioritize long-term results. Comfort is the enemy of progress. If you're spending more time entertaining yourself than educating yourself, you're choosing poverty. Number 2, you think too small. Most people are broke because their thinking is broke. Have you ever said this? I just need to save a little more. That's good, but it's not enough. Small thinking leads to small living. The size of your dreams will determine the size of your income. Start surrounding yourself with big thinkers. Read books like Think and Grow Rich. Set bold income goals. Take bold action. Instead of saying, "I can't afford that," ask, "How can I afford that?" and then some. Number 3, you're playing a game you don't understand. Most people are stuck in poverty not because they're lazy, but because they're playing a money game they were never taught how to win. School teaches you to be a good employee, not how to build wealth. You're taught to work 40 hours a week for 40 years and retire on 40% of your income. But guess what? That game is rigged. Learn the rules. Invest in assets, real estate, stocks, businesses. Master the tax code. Build multiple income streams. Learn the rules or be ruled by those who do. So here's what we covered. Comfort keeps you poor. Get uncomfortable to grow. Thinking small limits you. Learn to earn. You don't know the game. Start studying it today. If you stay broke, it's not the system. It's your choices. But the powerful truth? You can choose differently, starting right now. So what do you do next? Start by picking one thing. Set up an auto transfer to savings, watch one video about investing, read 10 pages from a money book tonight. And if this video opened your eyes, share it. Because the first step to building wealth is waking up to the truth. Don't just survive. Start building.